Hi, my beautiful friends. I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I hope that you had a beautiful holiday season. So let's jump into today's video. Okay, friends, first order of business is to get this smoothie in, to get the energy up. I was ill most of the holiday season. I feel so much better, but I need to get rolling to get my house back right for the start of 2025, and that's why I am so grateful to my sponsors, Homog Glow, which they are a 5-star home service platform that's dedicated to making your space clean and tidy, and they could not have come at a more perfect time as I try to get my home reset after the holidays. So in addition to getting the house reset for the new year, I'm actually hosting my brother and his family for his birthday. We're Irish twins, so we are now the same age for about a month or so until I move up a notch. And so I'm having them over for a birthday dinner, but I'm still trying to get all of my holiday, home stuff situated also, but still have the home feel kind of nice and cozy while they're here. I've been loving my charcuterie boards, and it's always hard for me because I hate putting this stuff away after the holidays because I really, truly enjoy looking at it all month. So I think I'll keep those up a little longer. They can fall in that winter kind of theme. I'm going to ride it out for a minute with that because I really, truly love them. I did also want to get some cookies, some fresh cookies baked and transform this to a little cookie station. Of course, my niece Savannah is going to be here. So, of course, she loves a good cookie, and Mike is a cookie monster in himself. And that's a quick tip, too. You don't always have to try to find room for things during the holidays. You can switch things out, like put your pasta in Ziploc bags and make it a cookie station. And then also just kind of get the greens back right and get those cookies baked. And these are the things that I really wanted to focus on. And by the way, I tried a great recipe. It's a cranberry pistachio cookie. So good. It's a shortbread. Really loved it. I also wanted to spend time getting the hot chocolate station cleaned up for my niece Savannah for my brother's birthday, and just some little things that I really wanted to get done. But thinking about doing that along with cleaning the house is just overwhelming. So it was so nice to have Homog Glow step in and really help. And this was great because it's such an easy process when you're working with Homog Glow because they make it so that you can connect with local cleaners in your area, a simplified scheduling process. You simply go to the Homog Glow website, you put in your zip code, your basic information, and it will then connect you with a list of all of the cleaners in your area, and you can pick and choose what you need, what service you need to get your home clean, especially coming into this new year. And one thing that I really liked is that they really have a rigorous certification process. And so the cleaners have to have a 4.8 star average platform rating. But one thing that I truly loved is that 100% of the cleaning fees and tips go directly to the cleaner. And I absolutely loved the cleaner that came to my home. She was so helpful. She got the baseboard. She got the windows. She got the dusting. All those things that just really are, tedious things to do around the house. And I was able to then focus on getting ready for the party and cleaning up the holiday things that I needed to get cleaned up. And we kind of worked as a team. She did the stuff that would just really, at this point of just recovering from being sick, would have been impossible to do. But she came through. She really, really came through, and she did a fantastic job. And one more thing, they do have a Forever Clean membership where you'll save $30 an hour on every cleaning from now on. And, you can schedule as many cleanings as you like, starting at just $19 an hour. Can't beat it. And I thought about changing out my red holiday plates to a more winter theme for the birthday party, but I'm not going to go through that right now. But what I did love is I just had time to kind of think out all the little things. Now, I did want to get the table kind of refreshed and set up for the birthday bash. And I'm going to do more of an Italian kind of hearty meal for his birthday. And so, of course, just setting a beautiful dinner table just makes it fun and exciting. We want to play games and just laugh and kick back and have a good time. But I truly, truly am excited that I can focus on this and knowing that the house is getting clean at the same time. And I'm also putting away some of the holiday decor and things. I'm keeping some of the winterish things out, but all of the kind of holiday things I'm starting to kind of put back together. And then I'm also focusing on cooking a nice hearty meal. And I tell you, I came across this recipe recently, and it was so delicious. This is an amazing, creamy, just hearty soup that is a great winter soup, a great kind of January 2025 warm soup. And it was just so delicious and the perfect dish to have. So friends, the house feels great. It's absolutely clean. The birthday decor is out. Enough holiday decor to make it festive, but some have been put away. So now it's time for you to get your time back this holiday season. So head to homoglow.com/@home-with-Nikki or scan the QR code to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. And thanks to Homog Glow for really helping me out during a time of need this holiday season. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.